Why is my friend Iron Man over here so freaking cool? Well, who is Iron Man? Is he just a man in a suit, or is he more than that? Stories like the Iron Man series can be powerful tools for self-discovery and transformation. So let's dive into what Tony Stark's arc reactor can teach us about resilience and how you can use that to live into a more heroic version of yourself. Hi, I'm Matt Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where we use the concepts and lessons from geek and gaming culture to help us play life better. The story of Iron Man is one of resilience. After being taken hostage, Tony Stark comes back stronger than ever as Iron Man. He struggles against evil and his own demons to become better than he was before his capture. This is a metaphor for the bigger picture. We are all held captive in our own ways by our fears, anxieties, and failures. Like Tony Stark, we can use our struggles to create something that can empower us and help us do good in the world. The struggle gives us the opportunity to transform into someone better. In this way, Tony Stark's story is one that teaches us how to turn our fear into power and how to turn the struggle into an asset instead of a liability. Tony Stark's arc reactor literally powers his heart, making it the center of his identity in ways. And this is a metaphor for how the struggle can become an engine that drives us to become someone better. The reactor is Tony Stark's purpose and power, and it comes with a cost. And this is a reminder of both suffering, physical and emotional, and it also tells him that he's different from other people. Just like Tony Stark, we all have something inside us that we think is a limitation, but actually gives us an advantage over other people. This might be hard to accept, but maybe it's a past trauma or something that makes us feel less than others. Personality type, appearance. There's some way that you can turn that into a strength, into a fuel source. As a recent example for me, I injured my knee last week. If you're not part of the Questy newsletter, then join that because you'll know what I'm talking about. And it gave me a different perspective on how I treat my body and who I want to be in the future for my daughter and wife. And this became a catalyst for more personal growth and self-development. My past was filled with self-doubt, overly intense emotions, procrastination, and a feeling that I was broken. I'm not like that anymore. I used those issues as signs that I needed to learn new skills and improve myself if I ever wanted to make myself into a closer version of who I want to become. Is it easy? Absolutely not. But ease is not the intention. Power, control, self-understanding, confidence, and impact are. Iron Man is not Iron Man because life is easy for him, right? His struggles, his flaws, and his personality type make him into this compelling character, that and his awesome suits, which came out of redefining his life and purpose. Ease actually limited his potential and his positive impact on the world. And when you realize that your pain can be used as fuel, quite literally for Iron Man, to drive you forward and propel you to new heights, you can turn your perceived weaknesses into your greatest strengths. And the moment you accept yourself for who you are and use what you have instead of dwelling on it as a lack is the moment that real transformation begins. So all I want you to do for this episode is to take one fault or weakness that you have and list 10 different ways that it can be or has been used as fuel for personal development and positive things in your life. My intense awkwardness when I was younger fueled me to be better at talking to people. I had to put in the work and I had to learn the skills, but it acted as one half of that motivation, the I don't want this in my future away from motivation. So find yours, write 10 benefits, take a break, then write 5 to 10 more. They'll be higher quality when you come back from your break. You want to create a life that you enjoy living, struggling to transform yourself or focus on improvement? Well, this video over here will help identify the mindset that you need to get to where you want to be. Good luck, have fun. Peace. Boop. Wop, wop, wop. Go back. See, I got my old man cane. I can yell at clouds and stuff. Yeah, what are you guys doing up there? Come back down to earth. All old men yell at clouds, right? That is how being old works, right? Anywho, stop that, you dang aeroplanes. Back in my day, we used to have to hold the plane on our backs and run.